Wait. Should we do the restaurant? Yes? Okay. Hold on. Let's just keep the box there, and let's just go and get a piece of this. A piece of mint. You guys, no, go. Yeah, just go back. Don't really like the restaurant thing because off camera I did like this restaurant sort of thing. So let's make this a sandwich, I guess. I don't even know. Hey, May, chill. So somebody can take it. Hey. And they can't fly in my house cause you know? Okay. Now go. Okay, now let's get the orders up. Like now I'm a bug. Look. And now I'm actually just fully laying down. Hey, hi. Who would like a sandwich? I'm a bug. Hey yo. Alright, let's go back outside. The cafe's closed. You know, Davey, these are the hunt you. Because since I'm laying down, it's kind of very not scared. That is, oh, there's some parsley. Order hot. Let's go back out. I can't. I'm a bug. I don't really like this because it's not really that. I don't really get like that natural feeling. I'm just going to get some more food real quick and I'm going to be like. Go. You will too, big boy. Fatty fat. So well. Action. Ah, it's so loud. Talking, dreaming, riding, there's a final so night. Ooh, fun, dreaming. Oh my god. Cheeky. You stole like literally almost everything. Cool. Bye-bye. And then Spider-Man. Wow. Oh, hello. Hey. Come. Hello. I need to find a space where like they can't get the food. If we keep on grabbing. Hey, Tikan station here. Hey. Hey, stop. 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 Wait a minute. Put yourself between. Oh my god. Hitting in Bobby with Jackson, living up in Mississippi. No. I'm gonna kiss myself so pretty. Yeah, it was good. You want some more? Whoa, chill. I think all of these guys want some. Want it? Take it. Whoa. Hi, cutie. Spider-Man. Where you at? Understand me. It's gone! Oh, you want some, don't you? Yeah, no. Here you go. You are in there. Hi, yo, cutie little boo. Hi. I've never seen a bird actually in the tree, bro. So cool. Oh, hey. Go. Pardon, guys. I'm just going to be right back. Are you waiting for me? Yeah. Hold on. Minus, just stay here. Minus. Okay, thanks for waiting so patiently. I want more minus to come because there's like 20 minus. So if you guys could just make sounds on me, that'd be great. You got Spider-Man. I'll keep some food right here for all the miners. Yeah, cutie. But if you guys could stay here for like this plant for like the whole time, that would be amazing. Hi. Bye-bye. No hat. I've never seen miners come so close. Oh. Okay. Oh, what? Here you go. Well, what? Wait. Okay. Ready? He is gonna fly above. Please. Like just. Oh, bye, Nix. Ready? Ready? Okay. Miners. Assemble miners. Oh. Where'd he go? He gone. God, I'm getting old, y'all. Ta-ta. Here you go. Oh, it's close. Look how cute he is. And Mom, I got some food coming here. And the miners love it. Hello. No, it's just for the miners. Go. Hey. Wow. How hard is it, Matt? That was a trick shot though. Hi. And hello to you too. That was insane. Oh, he found a worm. Here you go. Oh, he's gone. Spider-Man. Hey, yo, Mr. Fluffy Pants. I don't think that I was filming. Where you walk, the way understand me. You understand me. Until then, Amazon like you gotta go. you go. A big piece for the big man. So then, make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff for Tati, you guys. I know that help so somebody edit. Until then, make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff for Tati, you guys later. But until then, goodbye. It's a beautiful day and a girl in love. Peace.